So in today's session, we are going to discuss the requirement for successful development of new product or factors reasoning to the success of any new product. So this topic is for 5 marks in your SEM exam. They may ask for 5 marks and the reasons or factors affecting any product's success. So first thing, to develop new product, you have to analyze, you have to research the market properly. And the economic condition in the sense buying capacity of the customer or buying pattern or the frequency, the usage of the product, etc. You analyze the market in the sense you have to survey the market. He's surveying the market. And to conduct survey and to interpret your decision, to group the data, group the collected data, you need sufficient fund. And while investing, the research and development requires huge lot of fund, and you have to consider return on your investment also. While investing huge amount for research and development or huge amount for market research or huge amount for market survey, you have to invest a huge lot of money. So that invested money will return, or that invested money will come back to you only once you introduce your product to the market. So the amount invested and your return on investment, the time stipulated time period between these two is very important. These two factors play a very important role in any product success. Then your product should be such that it should face the competition. It should have those features which are not having in your competitor's product. So this major reason for the success of the product is to ability to face the challenge, to ability to face the competition. Then you have to employ the proper manpower for the successful of the product. Manpower required in case of research and development, manpower required for the proper analysis of the market, and the manpower required for promotional activities, etc. Then this managerial experience, this is totally related to hiring of proper manpower, right? Appointing a proper person who is able to introduce your product, who is able to push your product. Then it must match with objectives. Objective in the sense, it should match with your organization's vision and mission. Fine. So the product should match with the organization's goodwill. It should match with organization's vision. It should match with your company's objectives and the long-term goal of the company. Then once you develop a product, it should comply with all the governmental aspects, all the legal aspects and social aspects. So that your product should not be wide according to the government rules and regulations. So you should take the legal aspect as well as the social aspect as well as governmental rules related to your product. So these are the major reasons for the successful of any product. So first you have to analyze the market, you have to research the market trends and taste and preference of the customer. And to do these things and to develop new product, you have to invest huge lot of money, that is sufficient fund is required. Then your product should be capable enough to face the competition. Then hiring of proper manpower, that is the experienced personnel for marketing, promotional, research and development, analysis, etc., etc. Then your product should be according to your organizational long-term goal, that is vision and mission of your company, and it should boost the company's goodwill also. Then you have to take care of all the governmental rules and regulations, legal aspects, and social aspect. That is, your product should be comply with all the society. Society should accept your product. So these are the 5 marks reasons impacting or affecting any product's success or failure. Then the next concept we are going to discuss today is steps or process of new product development. This is very important topic for 15 marks. 15 marks is an exam question. Steps involved in development of new product or the process of developing new product. So first of all, it's a kind of starting a new company. So you have studied in your another subject in the earlier class or the steps involved in formation of a company. Likewise, these are the steps or process involved in development of new product. So first thing, you conceive an idea, right? You think about it. You think about certain product, certain innovative ideas that that idea is related to new product development. So the first step involved in new product development is conceiving of a new idea or idea generation of new idea. So once you generated idea, once you have dreamt about these things, you have to screen it. That means you have to research about your idea. What are all the features your product is going to accomplish, and who are all the competitors, and what are the existing product available in the market, which is very similar to your upcoming product. So you have to research, you have to survey the entire idea, right? This stage is called as idea screening. Then, once you are precise with your idea, you have to develop how you are going to start, or how you are going to manufacture, or how you are going to introduce any other features which are not having with your competitor's product. So you have to study a lot about all these things. So first of all, you conceive an idea, then you research or you screen that idea in detail, then certain concept comes up, and you finalize what type of product you are going to manufacture, or what type of product you are going to produce. So these things are the concept development, how your packaging should be, how your branding, how you are going to penetrate the market, etc. What will be the pricing of the product, etc., etc. So these are the concept development, but still product is not yet born. Now, the next stage is marketing strategy formulation, because there are many things. Certainly, a customer may not accept, as of a sudden, customer may not accept your product. So, how you are going to introduce to market, or what are the distribution channel you are going to opt for? That means you manufacture in your area and you distribute your product to the entire India. How you are going to achieve this? How you are going to introduce your product to the entire country? So these things are the strategy formulation. What are all the distribution channel you are opting for? So these are the strategies involved in generation of product or introducing a new product. So first one is which market you are going to target. So that is market determination. Earlier on of the class we have discussed about segmentation. So how you segment the market, how you are going to target, which market you are going to tap. So these are all managerial things. These are all strategy formulation. So which market you are going to introduce your product first of all. Then how you promote your product. That is the strategies on product, in the sense how your labeling should be, how your package should look like, and how you promote your product, etc. etc. So these are the strategies you formulate. Then long run plan. That means long run, in the sense, if you face a lot of competition, what will be the next step? So how you are going to introduce your product, which market you are going to tap, which distribution channel you are going to opt for. So these are all the long run plan, and these plans should be dynamic enough. These plans should not be rigid. These plans should be dynamic enough so that it should accomplish all the changes whenever required. So these are all the strategies you formulate for introducing new product. Then business analysis, in the sense these are all investment and return on your investment. So business analysis, in the sense what are all the volume what is the volume you are going to manufacture, volume of the product, what are the pricing policies, so market penetration. So if the price is too high, customer may not buy your product. So these are all the business analysis part. Again, these things are related to strategy as well as managerial process. Then once you analyze everything like pricing, promotion, investment part, return on investment part, research and development, etc., then you start developing the product in your manufacturing hub. So once you develop the product, then you test market it. You test market in the sense, see, we used to get a shampoo sachet or powder sachet along with any magazine if you subscribe. So how you are going to test your product, whether it fulfills customers' need and whether this product satisfies customer. So these things are test marketing. Once you are done with the test marketing, once you are agree that your product satisfies the customer and customer need your product again, then you commercialize it. So that is the last stage or last step in any product development. So that is commercialization. Commercialization in the sense now your product is available everywhere in the market. That is called commercialization. Before that, you test your product that it fulfills the customer need and satisfaction. So these are all first thing. The product development starts with idea generation, conceiving of an idea. Then you study your idea in detail. That is called idea screening. Then certain concept comes up. That is called concept development. Then you formulate certain strategies for your product. That strategies involve which market you are going to introduce your product, then how your product look like, that is called strategies on product. Then you plan for long run. Then next stage you analyze the business part, that is the investment, return on investment, everything, and you develop the product. Now your product starts how your product looks like. Then you test market it by sampling. You certain time you give free samples to the public or customers. Then once your consumer accepted your product, you commercialize your product. That is everywhere in the market your product is available now. So these are the important steps for 15 marks. 15 marks, very important concept from SEM point of view. Fine. So this concept is for 5 marks. That is the reason or factors affecting success of any product. So these things are for 5 marks, and these steps involved or process of new product development is for 15 marks. In the next class, we will discuss product life cycle. Product life cycle also very important 15 marks concept for your SEM exam. Thank you.